Catchy Fusion. I'm Chalu. Welcome to my lifestyle channel where you'll be finding some catchy and random stuff from day-to-day life. So today I'm going to unbox a smartphone, and this is the product I'm talking about. This is a smartphone by Oppo, and this is A3S, and the price for this one is 11,990 rupees, and I got it at 9,999 rupees. So let's quickly unbox it. So this is the outer packaging, and the box is sealed, if you can see. So I'm just cutting the seal from here. Yes, and let me show you the phone first, and then I'll be telling you a bit about it. Yes, this is the phone, the classy smart phone it is. This is in the red color. So this is not a technical video, so you just can get the close look of the product, and you just can get to know the basic specifications of the product. I am not a technical person at all, and this is not a technical video, it is just a unboxing of a. So this is the USB cable with this, and this is the charger, and you'll be just connecting your USB cable. This is the box content, one USB cable and one charger with this, and instruction guides and warranty card is there inside the box. And this is the quick guide. And this is the warranty card. You don't need to purchase a back cover immediately because you are getting it in the box itself. And this is the close look of the smartphone. This is the Oppo A3S, and this phone is launched in July 2018 itself. So, and it is loaded with the features in this price range. Let us talk something about the phone now. This is a dual SIM phone, and it's a lightweight phone with just 168 gram is the weight of the phone, and this comes with a edge to edge guard on it, so you don't need to worry about the screen much because it comes with the edge to edge guard just in the box itself. It's an Android phone, and it is running on Android 8.1 Oreo. The phone is 4230 mAh is the battery power. 168 gram is the weight of the phone, and it's very lightweight phone, but it's a sturdy phone. It comes in two colors, red and dark purple. I picked this red one for myself, and it is a classy red. Glossy finish is it's a glossy finish phone from the back side, so it makes it more elegant and more classy. And 6.2 inches is the phone display, and it's a LCD display, and resolution of this phone is quite nice, quite good. 720 into 1520 pixels is the resolution for this phone, and it's a dual camera phone, and front camera is 8 megapixel, and rear camera is a dual camera. It's a 13 megapixel is the prime camera, and 2 megapixel is the secondary camera. This comes with a 16 GB memory, and you can expand the memory with a micro SD card, and you can expand it up to 256 GB. So that is a good thing. In this price range you can get up to 256 GB of the storage, which is a very good thing because you have. And it's a premium looking phone with a notch design. So there is no touch home button or something like that. It is a notch design, so it makes it more trendy, more classy, and it gives a feel of higher end phones as well. So phone comes with a edge to edge guard and back case, so you don't need to rush to store immediately after opening this. You just can insert your SIM and you're good to go. And so I am quite happy with this phone. This is a affordable and a pocket friendly phone, and it gives a feel of higher end phones because of that notch design. It's a lightweight and sturdy phone only, and it's a classy and premium looking phone. It's a decent phone. It's a trendy phone with a large screen, and it's a budget phone, I can say. And glossy finish is making it more classy, and in red it is looking awesome. I have picked. So let me show you the display of the phone. I am just switching it on for you. Yes, you can. So this is the display, and it is a lightweight, classy, premium looking phone, and large screen you can notice, and it is just getting switched on. Yes. Box. This is not a technical video. This was an unboxing, and I hope you like the video. And if you have liked the video, please give a thumbs up to the video. And if you have any queries regarding this product, let me know in the comment section below. So with this, I'm just concluding my video for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day.